Hi, Miss Bertoldes. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hi, ma'am. Good day. I am Rainy Bertoldes, 33 years old, married from Coronadal City, Philippines.
Okay. Do you have kids?
Yes, ma'am. I have two kids, both girls. My eldest is 10 years old and my youngest is 4 years old.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 6 siblings, 3 brothers and 3 sisters, and I am the 4th child.
Okay. Can you tell me about your educational background?
I am college graduate of 4 years course, taking up Bachelor of Arts major in psychology.
Okay. Do you have work experience abroad?
No, ma'am, but I have work experience here in Philippines. I work as house helper from June 2021 to May 2024. I work 3 members of the family, 2 adults and 1 child. I do house cleaning, marketing, washing clothes, gardening, and taking care of their pets.
Okay. How old is the child?
3 years old.
And how many pets do they have?
1 dog and 2 cats.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am honest, loyal, cheerful, and most of all, I am a loving mother.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo?
No, ma'am.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No, ma'am.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad for me to sustain the needs of my family financially, save money for the future of my kids.
Okay. Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am. I have 1 dog and 2 cats.
Okay, that is great. Can you give me your idea how you can take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
I will talk to the child in a calm voice, and then I will get book and I will story the child what the bad effects of being a naughty girl or boy.
Okay, that would be all. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.